Hey beautiful, one of the most common concerns that I hear from my mature clients is how do I avoid looking like a clown or a hooker when it comes to makeup? Hi, my name is Nancy Joseph, also known as the Lipstick Boss, and if you're new to my channel, I'm here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday with quick style and makeup videos. So I have 4 ways for you today to avoid looking like a clown. So I don't know if this has ever happened to you where you've gone and had your makeup done, maybe at a salon or a makeup counter, and they spin the chair around and you take a look at yourself and you don't even recognize yourself and you feel like you look like a clown. So here are 4 ways to avoid this from happening and really why this happens. Okay, so number 1 is that the color is probably wrong. So we are either warm or we're cool, and if we're wearing the wrong color, then it's sitting on our skin and it makes it look artificial. So there's a couple ways to figure out whether you're warm or whether you're cool and which colors look best on you. One way is to look at the colors of the veins that are inside of your wrist. If you have blue veins, then you're cool. If you have green veins, then you're warm. Another way to test is, do you look better in browns and leopard print and gold jewelry? Or do you look better in blacks and whites and silver jewelry and zebra prints? So those are just a quick way to figure out whether you're warm or cool. And then you need to wear makeup that's in that same category. All right, number 2 is that you are, the intensity is just too much. In other words, as we mature, we start to soften. Our lips are lighter, the skin is duller, the eyes are lighter, everything is kind of softened. And if we're using too much product and the intensity is too drastic, it will cause it to sit on the skin and you'll look very clownish. Number 3 is that we're not blending properly. So when we purchase eyeshadow, sometimes from the drugstore, it comes with that little sponge, or if you're just buying palettes, they don't come with anything. So I recommend that you get makeup brushes. And for the eyes, it's especially important because you want to be able to blend and blend and blend and blend so it looks very natural and it's not just sitting on your skin. Same thing with your blush brush. Get a nice fluffy brush so that your blush looks nice and natural. And finally, number 4 is that you're not doing the proper application. In other words, you're putting products in the wrong place. For example, if you have a hooded eye or a hidden lid, we want to avoid sparkle like in the crease. That's just going to show the texture. It doesn't sit nice on the wrinkles and the crinkles that you might have on your eyelid. If you put your blush like right on the apples of the cheek and then you're not smiling, then that's sitting down here. So it's all about putting all the products in the right place. So those are 4 ways that you can avoid looking like a clown. I do have some resources for you in the box below. I use a color code system. It's a color analysis system. It's called Color Code, and it's by Sherry Brandell from Fashion Meets Faith. You can take a free test in the description box below and find out exactly what your color code is. It goes a little bit more in depth with the warm and the cool. And there's different categories that you'll fall into based on the color of your hair, the color of your skin, and the color of your eyes. And once you discover that, you're going to be able to pick the perfect makeup every single time. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that now, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.